Hey everyone, if you have no sound in Google Meet in 2026, like you can't hear others or audio is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet no sound issue step by step. First, open Google Meet and check your system volume. Make sure it is not muted or set too low. Next, go to Google Meet settings and select the correct speaker device. Sometimes the wrong audio output is selected automatically. Now check your browser audio permissions. Blocked permissions can completely stop sound from working. After that, make sure the meeting tab is not muted. Sometimes the browser tab itself is muted without you noticing. Next, restart Google Meet or your browser. This fixes temporary audio glitches very quickly. Now check your headphones or external speakers. Loose connections or Bluetooth issues can cause sound problems. After that, close other apps like music players or calling apps. They can take control of your audio device. Finally, update your browser and audio drivers. Outdated software often causes sound issues in meetings. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet no sound problem in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your audio should work perfectly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes.